Yo, welcome everyone. A disaster happened on the entire crypto market yesterday. Bitcoin got a major dump, liquidating millions along the way, but I am now holding a brand new short or sell position almost from the exact high. Now first, in our yesterday's video, we were saying that our first important price target is going to be the weekly high-term time frame area of resistance on Bitcoin landing at approximately 86,000 US dollars. This specific area of resistance was also nicely aligning with the golden Fibonacci ratio, so at least in my opinion, we got quite a high probability of seeing quite a significant rejection exactly at this specific level. And that was actually our main plan. I also posted only a couple of days ago on Twitter right here. I said to you, one of the biggest levels coming up for Bitcoin. I look for a new short position here, easy invalidation slightly above 86,000 US dollar area, and that is exactly what I did. I did enter a brand new, a fresh short or a sell position at the golden Fibonacci ratio and the weekly with the stop loss slightly above the level, but of course it clearly does look like we smashed through the level and I got stopped out from my brand new position. And yes, if you are paying attention to my tweets, this is also something I commented on someone's post. Raphael actually said right here, did you open a short position at 86,000 US dollar level as previously mentioned or still waiting on the sidelines? And I actually said right here, my first short position at 86,000 US dollars got stopped out. I entered a new one at the daily and waiting to scale in if Bitcoin loses the weekly level. Brave but straightforward, cut losses early and don't be afraid to re-enter. Risk to reward ratio is always better than win rate. And yes, you can right now see we got actually another push towards the upside. Bitcoin tapped our daily high-term time frame area of resistance at approximately 87,200 US dollars, or if we are right now being slightly more exact, we can even zoom out on the 4-hour time frame, measuring the entire bottom price action, and you're going to see we hit the value area high at 88,200 US dollars. Now, also one very important thing, people paying attention to this significant diagonal area of resistance. Guess what majority was doing exactly right here? They got excited, they got bullish exactly at the highs right here, and they started going with another long or buying position. A breakout is coming, let's go with a brand new buy, and we are expecting higher targets. That is exactly what majority of retail traders were thinking. But of course, we know we are trading at the area of resistance. We had a very simple invalidation level, and that is also why as of right now, I am still holding this specific short position, looking for much lower targets. And yes, I am going to show you exactly where Bitcoin does have its first very important area of support, and also I'm going to show you exactly what other people are doing in the market literally right now as we speak, and most probably it is going to surprise you, or maybe even not, but nevertheless, let me right now to share with you the first important support area you should right now be aware of on the Bitcoin chart itself. Let's go with our Fibonacci extension level from our swing high back towards the swing low, back towards the swing high. And it looks like the 1-to-1 Fibonacci extension level lands almost exactly at 81,000 US dollars. Not only that, we can identify not only one recent low right here, but actually two recent lows which are acting for liquidity purposes right there. And additionally, we can identify another fresh daily high-term time frame level, the green line right here, and also the weekly high-term time frame area of support almost perfectly below all of those very important levels, below the 1-to-1 Fibonacci extension, below two liquidity levels, and of course also below our daily high-term time frame area of support. So I would say like that, in my opinion, in the next couple of hours, the probability of Bitcoin dropping even lower towards the upside, towards our area of support, is very, very high, where I'm going to take some profits of my short or sell position. And before right now, we actually do talk about another support level and also take a look at the crypto fear Fear and Greed Index, I would really appreciate if you right now smash up the like button, because 800 likes are literally imminent, and also thank you for subscribing to the channel. Now, let me share with you why this specific support level for Bitcoin is such an important level. Not only because we have liquidity right here, not only because it's our one-to-one and the daily and the weekly, but also, what if we right now measure the entire bottom price action once again? You're actually going to see that the value area low, the last important volume support level, it is landing exactly right here. So this is something you really should pay attention to. If Bitcoin starts breaking the value area low right here, we go below 81,000 US dollars and are not able to reclaim the level almost immediately, bearish indication for Bitcoin, and we are looking for much lower price targets. Yes, we do have another daily level at approximately 78,500 US dollars, but looking for a brand new long or a buy position at this specific daily, in my opinion, it is going to be very, very risky, because you need to understand, Bitcoin is overall speaking moving in a significant downtrend, and additionally, we are going to see acceptance below the value area low, which is another significant bearish Bitcoin indication. So if we would really like to see another push towards the upside on Bitcoin, it needs to happen exactly at this specific area of support at approximately 81,000 US dollars, some kind of a reaction towards the upstand. Yes, we might even be looking for another long or a buying position exactly at this specific area, but until then, I remain in my short position. I want to see lower, and my next very important price target is going to be 81,000 US dollar area. Now, let me share with you why majority of people have literally zero clue of what they are doing. And also, one very important thing I tweeted only 16 hours ago, I actually said majority obsesses over entries. Few perfect their exits. Ironically, your exit strategy determines your profit, while your entry only determines your risk. So that is actually a very important thing once we are looking for another brand new trade. I knew that, yes, of course, I am looking for a short position right here at the weekly area of resistance, and of course, I also knew exactly what is my risk, because I knew exactly where my stop loss placement is going to be. Now, additionally, you also need to know where you are prepared to take some profits off the table. And let me now show you why people looking for another trade right here are doing something that, in my opinion, is not really smart. Pay attention right now, first of all, to the crypto Fear and Greed Index. Clearly, as of right now, we are trading in the extreme fear. Usually, there is a bullish indication for Bitcoin. However, majority is right now definitely feeling very fearful. And no, they are not looking for a long position at the area of support after we have already seen a push towards downside of approximately 7%. But no, they are firing another short or a sell position. They are being so late to the party right now. We are shorting the exact top almost perfectly at 86,600 US dollar area, but people are as of right now looking for another sell position exactly where we are taking profits off the table, exactly where we are paying ourselves. People are going with a brand new position. How do I know that? Pay attention right now to the open interest indicator right here. It is seeing a push towards the upside, which means brand new money is coming in the market. CVD indicator seeing a push down, which means selling pressure is coming in the market. And this specific indication means people are actually entering short positions exactly at the bottom. My next trade is not going to be a short. It is most probably going to be a long or a buying position right here. And that is why you should, in my opinion, also take advantage of the free bonus on BTunix exchange literally right now. There is an 8,560 US dollar bonus without KYC, without VPN, and also I was able to get you another insane promotional campaign that is right now valid only until the end of April. You're going to get 10 USDT only on a sign up that is right now capped to only 300 users, but also you're having a 20% deposit reward, and additionally you're getting some very nice rewards in case you're actually going to be trading. You can get yourself a brand new Apple Watch, an iPhone, a brand new camera, or maybe even an Apple Vision Pro. So take advantage of this insane free bonus using the second link down below. No KYC, no VPN, free bonus, 10 USDT only on a sign up, and then deposit on the platform, start trading, and get yourself some very nice, even better bonuses. Now, additionally, let's talk about one of the most important levels you should right now be aware of in a case Bitcoin does see some kind of a bounce towards the upside. Remember, we need to know exactly what is our plan if we continue dropping towards the downside, and also we should know what is going to be our plan if Bitcoin is right now literally going to pump straight towards the upside. All I know is that if we do see another bounce right here, I am simply going to be interested to fire another short or a sell position, or maybe even add something to this specific already existing short position on Bitcoin itself. But nevertheless, what are right now going to be the most important areas of resistances you should pay attention to? The daily level right here, it has already been respected. We are going to remove it. This specific weekly, it has also been already respected. We are going to remove it from our chart. And now you can clearly see only one level stands out, and it's going to be a fresh daily area of resistance that was confirmed literally yesterday and is right now landing at $85,124. This specific level is not a random level, and you should really, what I'm going to show you, pay a very close attention to. We are going to go with the anchored VWAP when we are anchored exactly at the high right here. And you can right now see that no, it is not perfectly aligning with our daily. However, you can also see it is some kind of aligning with the 30-minute order block, which means this specific area of resistance with the daily, with the anchored VWAP, with the 30-minute order block right here is the first level you should definitely be aware of. So what does it mean? If you're right now not already holding a brand new short or a sell position, I would simply say looking to go partially in this specific short or a sell position can be a good thing, simply because in that case we are still looking for another push towards downside on Bitcoin for us to take out our recent lows right here. Your invalidation level, in my opinion, needs to be slightly higher. Why so? Because this specific area of resistance is not aligning with the value area high, with the volume level, and with the golden Fibonacci ratio. So also, what does that mean? When you go with the Fibonacci retracement from the swing high right here back towards the swing low, the golden pocket is clearly higher than the daily and also than the anchored VWAP. And additionally, with the volume level, we can be measuring the entire bottom price action with the volume right here, and you can see that the value area high, the upper volume level right here, is landing almost exactly at the golden Fibonacci ratio right here. So what does it mean? You have right now two very simple options. Short position at this specific area of the first area of resistance, stop loss being slightly tighter, and in a case we are then going to go higher right here, you're going to get stopped out and look for another entry approximately at the golden Fibonacci ratio. So you have right now two very simple trading ideas. Look for a short at the area of resistance, potentially at the daily or the golden Fibonacci ratio. Of course, it's up to you to manage your risk correctly with the stop loss placement, having slightly more of a tighter stop loss or a bigger stop loss, but nevertheless, the price target is staying exactly the same because we want to see another lower low being formed on Bitcoin, maybe literally right now. That being said, of course, short position is not going to be offered to us, or if we first of all see a push toward the upside and then a push down, this specific level is the very important next target you should really be aware of. And of course, at the area of support, we are taking some profits of our short position, and maybe we are even going to be interested to fire another long position. And once again, also with this specific long or a buying position, super simple invalidation level below the area of support, because we know if the support level right here is going to be lost, we are looking for a bigger push towards downside. Manage your risk, set your stop loss, set your target, and of course, make sure you're paying yourself along the way if we do see then some kind of a bounce towards the upside. Now, additionally, once we do pay attention to Ethereum, for example, on Ethereum, my next trade is also going to be very, very simple. Looking for a long or a buying position after we start taking out our recent low on some kind of a liquidity grab, on some kind of a reaction towards the upside, if it does happen. And also on XRP, I'm looking for the exact same thing. I would like to see this specific low to be taken. We are going to look for a reaction and some kind of a push toward the upside before firing another long or a buying position, not only on XRP, also on Ethereum, and of course also on the Bitcoin chart itself. We have a plan, we have proper risk management, we know exactly where we are wrong, we know exact price targets, and we also know exactly where we are paying ourselves with our brand new short or a sell position. And that is simply why take advantage of the free bonus using the check the link down below. No KYC, an insane free bonus right here, and additionally, you're getting 10 USDT only when I sign up, then deposit on your account, you're getting a 20% deposit bonus, and additionally, you're going to get some crazy rewards if you're actually going to be trading. But thank you also for smashing up the like button.